I am the Cadet Escopia,
I am the Cadet Robles.
and today we will talking about interrogating globalization insights for future seafarers.
So, globalization. Globalization means the connection of countries and people around the world through trade, technology, culture, and communication. It allows goods, services, and ideas to move across borders quickly. It is important to examine globalization today because it affects how people work, live, and interact with each other. For seafarers, globalization is especially important since the shipping industry connects almost all the nations, and their careers depends on global trade, international rules, and cultural exchange.
So one important aspect of globalization is global trade and shipping routes. Ships carry most of the world's goods such as food, cars, and shipping routes have become busier. This creates more job opportunities for seafarers but also brings challenges such as long voyage and strict schedules. Another aspect is international maritime labor standards. Global organizations like the International Labour Organization or ILO and the International Maritime Organization set rules to protect seafarers' rights, safety, and working conditions. These standards make sure seafarers get fair treatment, proper rest hours, and safe workplace, no matter which country their ships belong to. Cultural diversity on a ship is also a result of globalization. Crews often come from different countries, speaking different languages, and practicing different traditions. This diversity can create strong teamwork and learning experiences, but may also cause misunderstandings. Seafarers must learn to respect and adapt to different cultures to work well together. Another key aspect is technological advancement in navigation and communication. Modern ships now use electronic charts, satellite systems, and internet-based communication to make navigation safer and faster. This means seafarers must continue learning new skills and adapt to the rapid changes in technology. Finally, globalization highlights environmental issues like climate change and maritime pollution. Seafarers must follow international rules to prevent oil spills, reduce carbon emissions, and protect the ocean. This shows how their job is not only about transporting goods, but also protecting the environment. For example, a Filipino seafarer on a container ship may travel from Manila to Rotterdam, working with crewmates from India, Greece, and China. They will use modern navigational tools, follow labor standards for rest hours, and ensure waste is properly managed to avoid pollution at sea. This shows how globalization affects their daily plans at sea.
So, for application to my career, globalization will strongly influence my personal and professional growth of future seafarers. Personally, it will expose new cultures, languages, and ideas, helping me become more open-minded and adaptable. Professionally, it will give me access for international job opportunities and advanced training. Modern technology, however, it also requires continuous learning, discipline, and awareness of global issues like labor rights and environmental protection.
So, globalization means to me that I'm at work for companies that ship goods around the world and travel to many different countries. On a personal level, this will help me become more independent, open to new ideas, and confident in working with people from all sorts of backgrounds. In my job, I need to speak English well and know international rules like SOLAS and MARPOL. And this will help me work with the crew and help me grow in my career as a seafarer who can work anywhere in the world.
So, in summary, globalization affects seafaring through global trade, labor standards, cultural diversity, technology, and environmental responsibility. For Filipino seafarers, it brings many opportunities, such as better jobs, exposure to new skills, and global experience. At the same time, it presents challenges like strict rules, cultural differences, and the need to adapt to technology. Overall, globalization is both an opportunity and a a challenge. But it can help seafarers grow and succeed if they are prepared and willing to adapt. That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.